everyone, today I'm going to share with you guys a few tips that might help you stay inspired, stay connected and on track as a YouTuber. I know it can be rough sometimes, but I'm going to share with you all those tips today. So my number one tip that I recommended for all of you that actually helps in not only in our goals or here as I stay inspired as a YouTuber is to have great books. Yes, that's right, books. Some people don't like to read it, but have actually good books out there that you can connect yourself to see that creativity coming out of you or their mindset coming out of you. So there's a lot of books out there that actually motivate you and keep you on track with anything that kind of open that mind of yours to thinking beyond the mindset that you are in the moment right now. So getting books that actually inspire you in your craft also is one of the things that keep you very, very on top. For instance, a lot of people like arts and crafts and they buy a lot of magazines. If you really enjoy social media, you're going to get a lot of books out there that help you get on track in social media to always keep yourself updated. So the motivation is there, is available, has a lot of great writers, a lot of great people writing books and creating ebooks that actually motivate you to keep on track. So find a great book for you that actually help you, stay inspired is definitely one task that I recommended. So you can read this book every day for a certain amount of time and it give you the boost you needed. I just remember myself that sometimes of getting a social media calendar, filing all of those tasks that I need daily basis, trying to work my full-time job and then come home and get everything done for the next day. It can be very difficult for me, and it might be your case right now. It can be very difficult for you as well. Like you need to keep in track with your home, your life, and your social media, and with your craft that you are actually working on it. And as a YouTuber, it can be frustrated because we have to be watching our target audience, we need to work on our watch time, we need to work in our strategy content, we need to work in our titles, thumbnails, and description, and uploading, recording, adding, and it's definitely a lot in our list that adds. And sometimes it can be a really dragging because you don't have the foundation yet, or maybe you're trying to create something new and something inspiring and he's not there, it's not that moment yet. But here's the thing, do not give up. Keep it doing, keep persisting, keep getting there, because it's that moment that is gonna jump you to the next and jump you to the next and jump you to the next. Now, if you give up now, there is nothing for you to be comparing with. All the progress, all the steps you're making, all the things you're doing to move yourself forward to the next level. So definitely giving up is not a choice here and is not an option. You definitely need to keep going on your track and stay organized. So I guess that getting the books you need is starting reading all those books, getting yourself organized. Have a planner that actually schedule all your things, such as your personal appointments, your daily basis, things you need to get done that is very important. All the things in the calendar that you can put it on your calendar. And then not only those things, but also the things you need to do for your brand, your product, your small business. Because that point, you're already adding everything. You're making everything a priority, and that is important. Having that set in stone in a calendar definitely helps you a bunch.
So you don't have to keep searching, oh my God, what I have to do right now.
And you don't want to go lost when you need so much to get done. And should be actually the first. But I would say this is one of the greatest one, and I must have it. Have a contact with creative people, be surround creative people, be around creative people, because creative people can actually inspire you. They can actually pop up some ideas in their conversations that you don't even imagine. and it can actually bring the best of you. So having conversations with them, taking happy hours with them, go out and about, wanna be on among your friends. Definitely you're gonna find someone that is creative out there, and they can give you great ideas. Then not only that, they can bring back of you some things that you have never thought you still had it. One of the things that I do recommend it in case that you don't have great friends out there, you don't have these big creative people surround you, tons of YouTubers, great YouTubers out there making booming content, creating great tools, great resources, great things. So here at the channel, at the YouTube, you can get a lot of inspired content, inspired ideas, and definitely you have to check constantly for YouTubers, because that's a way to feed your learning and to help you learning new skills. So take time to read all about, to check it out, other channels, to check it out other YouTubers. They are in your craft, they are on your industry, they are on in your niche target, on your market, because with them, you're gonna learn a lot of things that you might not be doing right now, but you will love to implement it. Of course, I do never recommend it, copying their content, but I do recommend it definitely get their ideas, because that is inspired, and sometimes they miss some points that you might have new points, and then you can share that too. So check out YouTubers and see what the creativity they are bringing to the table and their new skills that you can apply yourself to your channel. Now, this is one thing that I really love to do all the time. It's all the time I like to do this because it's so inspiring. It keeps me going and keeps me organized. So every day I go through articles, especially on Twitter. If you are a Twitter, if you have an account, I have my Twitter, it's all linked in here. But I will show this. My Twitter, I get a lot of great content, great people sharing great articles, and I bookmark all those articles. That's right, bookmark all those articles that you receive, that you have it, because those bookmarks will serve for something. You're going to take a few minutes out of your day in the mornings or in the afternoons or late at night that you prefer, and you're going to read those articles, because that is going to inspire you to an idea, or even it's going to teach you something that you don't even know, and it's going to be so cool for you. Definitely I recommend it. Going to your Twitter account, save all those tweets that you receive it, save it, read it through it, because you're going to learn a lot of good things from those content. So bookmark your content. Now, one thing that I definitely recommended, it's take breaks. That's right, take breaks. Go for walks, walk your dog, take your kids to the park. We are humans, and it's hard. I know it's a hassle, it's a rough work, but do something outside the passion that you have as a YouTuber, to do something outside of that. Go for runs, go to the gym, do your yoga exercise. I have a great app that I use, they call Yoga Studio. I do recommend it. I'll put it here, the link below, and I would just go ahead and take exercises at home and enjoy the kind of the peaceful mindset that gives me, which actually having that as well, it helps you to kind of planning things without stress, and you can actually run your day better and healthy, and without going crazy with the things you need to get done first and after. Like besides having the planner and getting organized, you also can go crazy with that too, because when you look at your relax, just don't focus on anything you need to get focused, and just take the moment to chill. Take the moment to just chill, and then you see that sometimes the moment is gonna bring you like a lamp, and you're gonna have a great idea. And my last tip to you is something that I really love to do. It's like get pictures that inspires you, get videos that inspires you, bookmark those things. And then in the next section you're working, you can use some ideas to implement it with yours. So definitely it's something to think and to memorize. Do not miss the creativity that is outsources for you, and then you can actually blend it with your ideas as well. Well guys, these are my tips, and I hope this video actually help you moving forward with your YouTube channel and keep staying inspired. So please do not forget to comment, share, and subscribe for vibes, and I see you guys next time. Bye for now.